Hello guys, welcome to today's new video. Today I'm going to be kind of unboxing and showing you guys this vinyl that I got. It's Landmark by Hippo Campus. Now I actually just got this in the mail about a week ago. Right before I got this vinyl, which is Remote by Wallows. I did a review on this a couple weeks ago. And it was okay. Now the main problem I had with this was the vinyl isn't actually vinyl, it's plastic. But the cool thing about Landmark is it actually is vinyl this time. So this is a gatefold package. And on one side you got the lyrics instead of a separate sheet of paper. Also notice how the words are kind of spread apart in some parts. It's a little weird, but it's kind of cool. You've also got this artwork on this side, and on the back you got the track list, and actually an extension of the cover art, which I had never even knew until I got that. You can kind of see how it extends the Landmark rim. Now if you're looking at the actual vinyl itself, this is a two-sided vinyl. On the front side you got everything from Sunbeams to Western Kids, and on the back you got Poems through Buttercup. It's just a plain black vinyl, but I know there's an indie exclusive version that's yellow, and I'm pretty certain there's other special editions that have come out. Now I can't really play this because of copyright reasons, but it does sound very, very good compared to the tinny sound of Remote. And I'm really happy with what it came with. I think everything has a very superior build quality to the other vinyl that I just bought. So that's it for this video. If you've liked it, make sure to subscribe and like. If you do want to see more of these record unboxings, since I've only got 2 so far in my collection, just let me know. And have a great day.